Hello there, it's your Zulu Boy Mechanic, aka SL Auto here. So I'd like to show you how I do these wheel bearings on these Toyota Sienna, Toyota Highlander, most of these rear wheel, all wheel or just front wheel, as long as they have a hub style. This is how I do it all the time. I've never had any issues. So as you can see, this is the entire assemble, all rotten of course. So there's 4 bolts holding this bearing in place right here. 4 bolts. I've taken all out. A little bit rusted, of course. I'm gonna have to clean them before putting them back. So what normally I do, I take my transmission jack. Once I disconnect everything, the brake assemble, hang my caliper, extend the park brake, and then from there what I do is I bring my tranny jack, and then I have this guy that I use for pressing the bearings on my press there. I put it down there, I rest it right on the park brakes shoes. It's not, I mean, that you're going to distort them or damage them that much. And then I drop the whole assemble down, facing down. With this one I don't have the brake line, so I have that room of extending things. From that point, this will be of course stuck in there. So what I normally do, of course, spray some little bit of penetrating oil. With the use of the air hammer, I just go right inside on the inner bearing, right there, with my use of my air hammer. If that doesn't work or you don't have that, what I do is I normally double my hammers, put one in there, other one out. I just give it just one or two, that's it. That thing drops off. The problem being, if you try to take it off while it's here, once you remove these 4 bolts, nothing is going to be holding the whole brake bracket for you. So this whole thing is going to fall off. If there is a metal brake line, you're risking breaking it. But if you extend the line and do it this way, no issues. If you don't have the tranny jack, which of course I had to do this way back when I didn't have the resources to even get this tranny jack. So I used to lower my vehicle down. You don't have a hoist now, then no problem. You bring your car as low as you can, right down on the floor. And then if you have an old rotor like this, you can still use it to put that there. As long as it's an old one, you're not reusing it, of course, because you don't want to damage this. If you're not using it, bring your car as low as you can. Do exactly what I just showed you here. Then you don't have a tranny jack, just doing it right there, it will drop. So just a trick on how to do this. I will pause this video for a moment and go to the other side and show you. I'm trying to show the video. All right, so as you can see, this is still one unit. I haven't done anything yet. And if you bring the camera closer, you will see this is all rusted. So imagine trying to take it out there. There's no way. It will be tougher. So what I do is, as I said, I'll bring that. This is a perfect cup to receive the bearing. So bring that, rest it on the brake shoe. This, I've extended it, remove the 210 mil right there. So I have more slack. And the height is perfect for me. So just bring it out a little bit. I'll get all right, so as I said, I'll put one in there. I can put this one in there, doesn't matter. And then watching the body of the vehicle, of course. And then just give it a one good whack or two, this falls off. So, see that? So it just came out, and just one. If you look here, of course, these shoes are done anyways. They're old. See, they need to be changed. but this was just one out, and the studs, I didn't even damage them. But here's the problem: both bearings long gone, dry inside. Okay, so I'll quickly show you a new one, of course. This is the new one right there. All nice and quiet. So I'm changing both sides. It's always a good practice whenever you do bearings. One goes, just do both. Because you don't want to do that again on the other side. Just save the customer a trip. Alright, so that's how we do it. Next step here, of course, I'm going to clean the ring here, make sure it's all nice and clean. Watching the ABS sensor right there. So I'm going to clean this surface as well. Just brush it, put some anti-seize in case if that bearing was to fail while it's still under warranty. I don't want to have any headache taking it out. I want to make sure it comes out just that easy. Anyways, and then if the customer proceed and wanting the shoes done, then we'll change their park brakes as per their request once we let them know what's going on. Okay, once again, thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you for your support. And those who have any questions, feel free to send them over and I'll respond to my best knowledge. God bless.